Buying a bandsaw is tricky because a compact metal cutter and a full-size woodworking machine can look similar on paper, but feel completely different in real use. So here are 5 models ranked from the weakest overall choice to the strongest. At number 5 is the WEN, and I'll be honest, that does not make it a bad saw. It is simply the lightest duty option here, aimed more at home workshops than demanding professional use. What stands out is how complete the package is. You get the stand, rip fence, miter gauge, work light, and dust port options in the box. In daily use, that means less extra shopping and a faster setup. The 2 blade speeds also give you more flexibility than a basic single-speed machine. But there is a clear limit. The motor, 6-inch cutting height, and 9 3/4-inch throat are well below the larger jet. The cast aluminum table also feels less substantial than a heavy cast iron setup. That is not a deal breaker for small projects, but you will notice it with larger stock. This model makes sense for beginners, hobby woodworkers, or anyone who needs a practical floor standing saw without paying for professional capacity. But if you need cordless freedom and metal cutting ability, the next model is much more interesting. Links to all products in this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. At number 4 is the Makita. This is where the list moves from stationary woodworking into portable metal cutting. And the big advantage is simple: deep cut capacity without a power cord. The 4 3/4-inch capacity is generous, and the 6 speed settings make it easier to match the blade to different metals. The LICD, adjustable stopper plate, protective bumper, and overload protection all help in real job site use. Compared with the Milwaukee, this one handles much larger material, but exactly here there is a point you should know. It is heavy for a cordless tool, and the brushed motor needs more maintenance than Milwaukee's brushless design. The battery and charger are also sold separately, so the real cost depends on whether you already use Makita batteries. Choose this one if you need cordless mobility but cannot accept compact saw capacity. If lower weight and easier overhead handling matter more, the next models will suit you better. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you. At number 3 is the DeWalt. For continuous deep cutting, this is a very practical choice because you do not have to think about battery charge or runtime. Its 10-amp motor, broad speed range, large cutting capacity, and strong protective housing make it well suited to repetitive metal work. The adjustable front handle and LED also make the saw easier to control. And unlike the tool-only cordless models, this one comes as a proper kit with a hard case. The trade-off is mobility. The cord can get in the way on ladders, around installed pipe, or in unfinished spaces. It is also the heaviest portable model here. Compared with the Makita, you gain unlimited runtime, but you lose cordless freedom. This is the one to consider for shop work, fabrication, and long cutting sessions near reliable power. But for technicians who move constantly and work overhead, the next saw feels much easier in the hand. At number 2 is the Milwaukee. What caught my attention first is the weight. At 7.7 pounds without a battery, it is far easier to manage than the deep-cut DeWalt and Makita. The brushless motor, high blade speed, all-metal direct drive, tool-free guide, LED, and rafter hook make it feel designed around real job site movement. In practice, that means less arm fatigue and easier cuts in tight or overhead positions. It is the most refined portable saw in this group. But there is a problem: capacity. At 3 1/4 inches, it cannot handle the same large stock as the DeWalt or Makita. And because it is sold as a bare tool, the final price rises if you do not already own Milwaukee batteries. This model is ideal for electricians, plumbers, and installers who value speed, balance, and mobility more than maximum cut size. But for raw capacity, stability, and serious woodworking, the top-ranked machine is in another class. At number 1 is the Jet. This is not the most portable or the cheapest option, but within its intended role, it is the strongest and most capable machine in the review. The 13-inch cutting height, large throat, heavy steel frame, cast iron components, ball bearing guides, and large table give it the stability needed for serious resawing and accurate woodworking. Compared with the WEN, the difference is obvious as soon as the material gets larger or the cut gets more demanding. Of course, that strength comes with limits. At 272 pounds, it is difficult to move. It needs real floor space and it runs at 1 blade speed. It also needs proper dust collection and a suitable electrical circuit. So, this is not a casual plug-in-and-go machine. For furniture makers, serious hobbyists, and professional woodworkers, this is the strongest overall choice here. If your work is mostly metal or requires mobility, choose one of the portable models instead, because this machine is built for a very different job. Check the top products through the links in the description below the video, where you can compare the latest available prices. And if this review helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel.